Right, good morning. It's day 25. It's is it day 25? No, it's Boxing Day today. I didn't do day 25. So, yeah. It's a blur. It was very hectic yesterday, obviously with all the food and everything, and we got a rerun today because my son and my daughter-in-law, the ones expecting the baby, well, baby should have come on the 20th but hasn't, they're coming for Christmas lunch, so we're going to do a rerun today. We're actually between their house and the hospital, so they're nearer if they suddenly need the hospital, and she's bringing her bag just in case, but no twinges, so probably head on. She'll probably be still here in the new year waiting for this baby. But yes, so it is Boxing Day, but I didn't open the drawer yesterday. It was just so hectic. So what I've done on the Crochet Society blanket is I've done the edging, so we've now got this scalloped bit in one colour at this end and a slightly different colour at this end. I don't know if you can see there and there, and we've done one side in one colour and one side in the other, and I think there is one more colour in the drawer 25, and I think you go round the whole lot in that one colour. So let's turn you around and see what it is. Right, drawer 25 is here. Oh, it's a lovely white colour. So just put my glasses on and see what it's called. It is Royal Icing. So it's a lovely white colour, and that is going round the whole of the blanket. And there is Father Christmas. So yeah, so you can see. So yes, so that is the whole of the calendar, and the drawers are all now turned round, and you can use it for storage, bits and pieces. I haven't decided what I'm going to put in mine yet, but yeah, so that's quite handy. So I don't know when this video will go up, because like I say, I didn't get one up on the 25th. Christmas Day, and it's Boxing Day today, so but hopefully I'll finish the blanket when we're sitting watching telly with the family, and I'll show you probably tomorrow. The video will go up as joint days, but yes, so I'll see you later with the finished blanket. Right, good morning. It's Monday the 27th of December. I haven't uploaded any videos because it's been so hectic with Christmas. I did 2 Christmas dinners, one for Boxing Day and one for Christmas Day, so I'm absolutely exhausted, but I had a lovely time. Still no sign of the baby, now 7 days late, so we're yeah, we don't know what's happening there. So obviously I think she's allowed to go to 10 days, and then the doctors will intervene, and she might be induced or something, but hopefully she'll come on her own in the next couple of days. So yeah, so I've finished the Crochet Society blanket. So I think day 25 was this white, I think it was Royal Icing, and you edged it completely, and I'll put a video up of the blanket and a picture up here. I'll move over as I'm talking so you can see, but yes, so it's all done. Very nice, it's very warm, very colourful. I did learn lots of different stitches, so I did enjoy doing it. I have now obviously got a box of lots of different colours, bits of scraps, and I know a couple of my subscribers also got Crochet Society box, so I'd be interested to know on what they're planning to do with their bits and pieces that are left, if they've got any little patterns or things. I was looking at possibly doing some of these little shoes and trying to use some of the colours up for that, otherwise some toys or something, or I might just make another blanket out of the scraps, I don't know. So yeah, so if you've got any ideas, let me know. I'd be interested. But yes, I'm going to wrap this video up now, and then I'll probably go back to once a week after this. But yes, so I hope everyone had a lovely Christmas, and I wish you all a happy new year, a healthy happy new year, and I'll see you next year. Bye for now.